So guys, let's look at some quick analysis on potential setups that could form later this week. Let's just check things out real quick and break a few pairs down and see what's about to happen later this week. On USDJPY, we have price breaking this level right here. We could have a possible retest because we're on an uptrend right now. We want to see price retest the zone and we can have an entry signal to go in long. On GBPAUD, we had a setup that happened here. Some of my students took this setup and they're still in it. Absolutely amazing, just killing it. Absolutely amazing. I'm waiting for a potential setup that could happen when it comes back to this level. Silver is a pair that I milk all the way from down here all the way up here. Absolutely amazing. I'm possibly waiting for price to come back to this zone and possibly give me an entry signal so I can enter and go in long. And some other pairs that I'm waiting on a possible trend reversal setup. The market will eventually exhaust itself at one point, so I'm waiting on that as well to possibly have a trend reversal setup. Remember guys, trading can be made easy as long as you keep things simple, keep things consistent, control your emotions, and always remember, practice proper risk management.